अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है एनएरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन। सो लेट अस टॉक अबाउट एनएरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन। द रेस्पिरेशन which takes place without oxygen is called anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic means without air. So let us look at its steps. The first step is glycolysis. एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन में भी पहला स्टेप ग्लाइकोलिसिस है और यहाँ पर भी पहला स्टेप ग्लाइकोलिसिस है। जो रेस्पिरेशन है इसमें इट विल ओकर इन साइटोप्लाज्म। वन मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ ग्लूकोज will get converted into two molecules of pyruvate and two ATP molecules will be produced. The anaerobic respiration is not commonly found. It is found in microscopic organisms like yeast and some bacteria. What is yeast? It belongs to the fungi. Anaerobic respiration in yeast are known as fermentation. So, fermentation is the word which is used for anaerobic respiration in yeast. So, what happens there? This pyruvate, which was formed during glycolysis, is converted into ethanol, and for this conversion, it does not need any oxygen, and this takes in the cytoplasm. So, it does not happen inside the mitochondria. It happens in the cytoplasm itself. मैंने आपको एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन में बोला जो पायरुवेट है it is nothing but pyric acid. It is a colorless liquid, an important intermediate in the metabolism of proteins and carbohydrates. Anaerobic respiration is also seen in some bacteria, parasitic worms, human muscle cells. It also happens in the cytoplasm, but their pyruvate is converted into lactic acid. अगर हम यीस्ट की बात करेंगे जो वहाँ पायरुवेट हैं वो कन्वर्ट होता है इथेनॉल में। तो इन हियर इन सम बैक्टीरिया, parasitic worms and human muscle cells, here the pyruvate converted into lactic acid instead of ethanol. तो ह्यूमन मसल सेल्स में हम क्या देखते हैं? द ह्यूमन बींग्स obtain एनर्जी बाय एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन, जो हम जानते हैं, बट एन एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन कैन समटाइम्स टेक्स प्लेस इन आवर मसल्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, anaerobic respiration takes place in our muscles during vigorous physical exercise. When oxygen gets used up faster in the muscle cells than can be supplied by the blood. In order to generate energy, the oxidation of food had to take place inside. Now, in the muscle cells, when you do not have sufficient oxygen for that oxidation, this anaerobic respiration takes place. That means the glucose gets converted into lactic acid. आपने ये देखा होगा कि जो लोग हमेशा ये शिकायत करते हैं कि आज मैंने एक्सरसाइज की है या आज मैंने काफ़ी ऐसी एक्टिविटी की है जो मेरे मसल्स हैं वो क्रैम्प हो गए हैं, पेन जैसी महसूस हो रही है. एक्चुअली जो ये पेन है ये क्या है, जो ये क्रैम्प्स हैं ये क्या है? इट इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ the accumulation of these lactic acids. So I can say the sudden build-up of lactic acid in our muscle during vigorous physical activity can cause muscular cramps. Now let us look at the different pathways of glucose breakdown to release energy. The first thing is glucose. This glucose converts into pyruvate by the process of glycolysis, and this happens in the cytoplasm, right? Now, there are three different ways by which this pyruvate can break down into simpler molecules, releasing a lot of energy. The first is aerobic respiration, which happens in presence of oxygen. In that case, what happens? Carbon dioxide, water, and a lot of energy is released. Another way is anaerobic respiration. So in anaerobic respiration, there are two ways again. It can either form lactic acid or it can form ethanol. So now what is the difference between aerobic and anaerobic respiration? The first point is that aerobic respiration happens in presence of oxygen, and anaerobic respiration happens in absence of oxygen. In aerobic respiration, complete oxidation occurs, and in anaerobic, incomplete oxidation occurs. The net ATP yield in aerobic respiration is 38 ATP molecules, and in case of anaerobic respiration, there are only 2 ATP molecules. In aerobic respiration, end products are carbon dioxide and water. And in anaerobic respiration, the end products are ethyl alcohol, lactic acid, and carbon dioxide. And aerobic respiration occurs in most plants and animals, and anaerobic respiration occurs in some bacteria, worms, and human muscle cells during vigorous exercise. A part of it occurs in cytoplasm, rest in mitochondria. In anaerobic respiration, complete process occurs in cytoplasm. मुझे उम्मीद है कि आपको समझ आया होगा। इंशाल्लाह ताला नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम रेस्पिरेशन इन ह्यूमन बीइंग्स के बारे में बात करेंगे। थैंक्स।